मायनिंगा संदर्भात केंद्राच्या थारावाक लागून थळावी आर्थिक परिस्थिती कोसळटली। गोंयकारांच्या हिता खातीर मायनिंग संदर्भात थाराव जावपाक जाय। आपूण जनते बरोबर आसा म्हण आदले विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रतापसिंह राणे उलयल्यात। आरडेक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
I don't know what they have been able to speak. Yeah. The mining minister is not there. Mr. Tomar is out of town.
But they meet Nitin Gadkari and Piyush.
Nitin Gadkari will convey it, but it's a sad thing. If the auction it will take time. This is what I feel. Let them try it out, but it's going to hit a lot of small people. It's not going to hit the mine owners. It's going to hit the common man, the truck owners who owe their loans to be paid. Many small people, like widows who were serving lunches and all, tea to the mine workers. Nearly 60,000 people will be unemployed. Directly they are employed in mining. And even if they start, it will take time. It should take more than 6 months. It's only those who don't know the ground reality react like this. Auction. And the thing is that there are some people who are saying, yes, we should do this and do that. But then earlier, even when we had concessions, Portuguese law was continued. Because the government of India knew that this is a low-grade ore and people have connections in Japan and China. So that is the reason why we have to study the ground reality and then take action. You see, they will say, put this fellow behind bars or something. I don't know what. Some silly news has come in the papers. And also I got on my mobile. I left my mobile perhaps in the car. There's some news. We will be all locked up and all. No question of being locked up and all that. It is this in the interest of the state, in the interest of the economy of the state. Nearly 1,000 crores used to come in as an income. That they are going to lose. Altogether, nearly 3,500 crores is to be a turnover. Then, and the investment there of people, trucks, nearly 4,000 trucks, barges, all these people and those directly dependent and indirectly it will hit about 1.5 to 2 lakh people.
सेंटर एक ऑप्शन करा म्हणटा जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आनी कितें ऑप्शन उरलें गव्हर्मेंट?
There is no option. We are. It is minerals, the property, especially certain minerals, are property of the central government. I would have also gone. I do not know what these people presented to the ministers, but I would have invited them and studied the ground reality.
So now, what option has been left, sir?
What option you are asking me? Ask those people now, those who are in power. We'll have to really think. But I am with the people, and whoever, see, I mean, whatever is in the interest of the local economy. The local economy is going to be hurt. Because we have not been able to bring in a lot of industry. Such in the last so many years. People are educated, even in the villages. Girls are today MSCs, highly educated, M.Tech, and so forth. So, what are they going to do? There will be few people like Mr. Nair's son, who has done a wonderful work. So let us see what we can do.